This lantern craft is great for working on fine motor skills. This easy hole punch craft is a creative way for kids to work on this lesson all year long. They look great on a mantle or windowsill and would be perfect for an addition in a classroom center. You need bright colored cardstock, scissors, a hole punch, tape, and battery-operated tea lights. Decide on how tall you want your lantern to be. Cut the cardstock and use the hole punch to punch holes in the strips. Use the tape to secure the lanterns around the tea lights. My daughter loves making her own and displaying them in her bedroom at night before bedtime. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.